Hi, boys and girls. I'm making this video tutorial so you can learn how to make videos yourself using your Chromebook and uploading them to me to send something to me instead of, because I know on Accelerate Education, they're asking you to download an audio app, but you can just use the recorder that you have on your Chromebook. So here we go. So I'm taking my mouse and I'm going down to the left-hand corner where it's a circle and it's called the Launcher app. Once you click on that, I see that I have my camera app right here, or if you don't have it, you can type in camera. So once you click on that, it shows you your camera. So you have two choices. You can do a video recording or a photo. So if I click video, here I have a white button with a red dot. That begins my video once I click it, and then I wait just a second or two to start talking. So here we go. Hi, boys and girls. This is a video tutorial showing you how to record yourself and upload it in a message to me. Okay, and I stop recording. Now, this is the gallery. It's called your gallery, where you can see all of the videos or photos that you have taken. So when I click on it, here's the video, and I'm going to rename it. Oopsie. So, tutorial. Video recording. Tutorial video recording. That's what we're going to say. And I have to wait just a few seconds. Now, what I do is I just turn the page to go to my last recording, and then I go back to the one I just worked on. Let me see. For some reason, it didn't save the name. Video recording. Okay. Oh, I can't use. Hi, boys and girls. This is a video tutorial showing you how to record yourself and upload it in a message to me. Perfect. So it's on there. I can X out of there and X out of my camera app. Now, if I wanted to send that to an email to me, I already clicked compose and I made this a bigger screen so you kids can see. But if you're trying to send this to me, remember you start typing my name, Christina, and then use the tab button, video recording tutorial. And always just leave a little message. Here is my tutorial. Okay, I'm not done yet. I have to upload that video. So right here where you see a paperclip, this is where you attach files. So if you click on that, this is where I can find the file. And perfect, it's right here. So I click on it, click open, and it shows that it just loaded. And then you simply send that. So you click send. That is all. If you need to rewatch this video and practice it, you can do that. Just delete some of your recordings. There's something that looks like a trash can. So you just click the trash can to delete videos you're not using. Have a great day.